Question 13 is a special type of the questions. Yep. So for this type of question, it is related to the link gene. Yes, related to the link gene. So this type of question, it will give you the series of the map distance in between different gene. Yeah, all series of the map distance between different gene, and they will ask you to find the gene sequence. Yeah, so this is the type of question. Yeah, a special type of question. So for this one, yeah, of course, it don't involve calculation, right? But it will involve your common sense and also your basic concept in the genetic mapping. Okay, so yep, this question is related to deviation, and it is related to linkage. So there's no special type, no method that we will use. We can't use any calculation method here. Okay, so it's more onto applying the basic concept, yeah, of the genetic mapping. Okay, so first thing first, what we can do to solve this question? Well, the first step is normally we will find the largest map distance. Yeah, find those that is largest map distance here. Okay, so what we can see, the largest map distance would be B and C. Yeah, B and C. BC gene is actually having the largest map distance, which is 35. Yeah, which is 35. Okay, so that's why normally we can just write B and C. Okay, so the distance between B to C, okay, is 35 map distance. Right, that's the distance. Okay, so once you write that down already, you identify the largest distance. Then next is you'll find those gene that have the largest distance to one end. Okay, to one end, yeah. Okay, so largest distance to one end, as we can see here, is AB, because B is one of the ends, C is one of the end, right? So we just find one largest distance to one end. Okay, let's say over here we will choose B, yeah. Okay, so AB is having 30 map distance. So that means that the A and B, their distance is 30 map unit. Right, it's 30 map unit, yeah. So now the thing is, the A, it can be from here to here, or it can be from here to here as well. Okay, so both way it can be A also. But we don't know. We don't know the A is actually from this way or towards the left side of the B. We are not sure about that. Okay, we are not sure whether it's to the right or to the left. Okay, so it's either 30 here or 30 unit here. All right, so that is the second step. We can confirm. So the next step is now, if you want to confirm this A is towards the right side or towards the left side, then you find the distance between A and C. Okay, if the distance between A and C is very small, then that means that B and the A is towards the right side of the B. But if you find out that A and C distance is very huge, then that will mean what? That will mean that, yeah, the A would be towards the left side of the B. Okay, so let's see where is the A and C. Okay, so this one just now BC done. This one AB done, right? Okay, so next if we look for A and C. So A and C is here. The distance between A and C is only 5. Yeah, it's only 5. Yeah, so that means what? That means that A and C distance is here. So it's only 5. Yeah, it's only 5 map distance. So with that, we can confirm that the A is towards the right side of the B. And this is wrong. Right, this is wrong. Okay, so this is not A. Okay, so once we have confirmed with the B, A, and C sequence, then next is we have to look for another gene, yeah, which is D gene, yeah, D gene, yeah. Okay, because there's only 4 genes here, right? So A, B, C, D. So we have confirmed A, B, C sequence. Next is we have to look for the D gene, yeah, the D gene. So from what we know here, yeah, from what we know here, same thing, find the largest distance first, which is B and D. Yeah, which is B and D. Okay, so B and D is 20. B and D is 20, yeah? So that means that B to D is 20. Okay, so it's 20 from B to D. So if from B to D is 20, then you have to confirm this D is towards the right side or towards the left side. You have to confirm that. So again, we do the same thing. Okay, we'll do the same thing, yeah? So D can be towards the left also. So we are not sure. It's either towards the left or towards the right. So in order to find uh the correct answer, right? So you have to find the distance between A and D, or you can find the distance between D and C also can. Okay, so over here, what is next? So this one done, B and D done. So next we can find for C and D. So C and D is only 15. C and D is only 15. So if C and D is only 15, then that means what? That means that the D is towards the right side of the B. Okay, so this is the correct one. This is the wrong one. Okay, then done with that. Then lastly is we check what is the distance between A and D. Okay, so A and D is 10. Yeah, A and D is 10. So A and D is 10. So is that correct? So you have to sum it up and see. Okay, so between C to A is 5. Yeah, then between A to D is 10. So 10 plus 5 it should be 15, right? So the distance between D to C is 15. So it's correct. Yeah, it is correct. So that means that distance between D and A is confirmed 10. Then A and C is 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15 in total. So that's why D and C is 15, right? So with that, we can confirm the sequence now is DAC. So how about B here? So B is 35 to C. Yeah, the distance is 35. Okay, so from B to A is 30 plus the A to C is 5. It is equals to 35. So it's correct also. So B to D is 20. And then D to C is 15. So again, from B to D to C is 35 in total. So with that, after we check all of these, it is all correct. Yeah, it's all correct. Then now we can determine the sequence. Yeah, we can determine the sequence. So the sequence will be B, D, A, C. Yeah, so that's why sequence, the correct sequence will be B, D, A, C. So yeah, this is the question 13. A special types of the question that is related to the linking.